I'm giving away 12 free displacement maps, so you can turn your text from looking like this to looking like this in just a few simple steps. First, you're going to want to go to my Gumroad in the link in the description, and you're going to get 12 free PSDs that you can use to displace text and make it look distressed. And now I'm going to show you how you can use that pack and turn any text into grungy, distressed looking text. So now we're in Photoshop, and I've got 3 different text layers here on screen, and I'm going to show you 3 of the different displacement maps from the pack and how you're going to be able to use them. So as you can see, just regular text right now. We're going to select this top one, and you're going to go over to the top tab, Filter, you're going to go to Distort, and you're going to go to Displace. It's going to ask you if you want to convert it to a smart object, and that's perfectly fine, and it will pop up with this little window that says Displace. So this horizontal scale and vertical scale is going to be basically how distorted you're going to want the text to be. It's going to be trial and error like most things in design, so I'm just going to keep it at 10 by 10 right now, and we're going to see how it looks. So you click OK, and mine automatically comes open with my pack. These are the 12 PSDs that you'll get in the displacement pack, and that's in the link in the description on my Gumroad. So make sure you have that before you even start this tutorial. They're free, and honestly, you might as well take it. It's free. So I'm going to start with, let's just do 4. So what you do is after this window's open, you just click on the one you want to use and click open. And as you can see, it's distorted the text in this glitch pattern. And I mean, even though this is a cool effect, I think it's not that readable. So we're gonna just Control Z on that, and then go back up to Filter, Distort, Displace. Again, you're gonna have to convert it to a smart object, and we're just going to half this. So we're gonna do it 5 horizontal scale, 5 vertical scale, click OK. Go back to 4, you can double click it, and now you have this text that's been displaced to the displacement map. So I'm gonna show you another one here. Remember, it's Filter, Distort, Displace, convert it, and then you can keep it on 5 if you know that's going to work for your document size. Click OK. This time we're going to do 6. So as you can see, it's glitched it again. This is all very high quality, as you can see right here. It's very, very, very small pixel details that have just made this text look 100% better than this bottom text. Honestly, it just looks glitched, distressed, and grungy. So we're going to go and do this bottom one now. Same process. It's Filter, Distort, Displace, convert it. We'll keep it 5 and 5. Go over here, and we're going to do 10. And again, it's displaced it in this way. All of these have a different displacement, so some of them will be more glitchy, like this top one. Some of them will be more like eroded, like this middle one, and some of them will just shift the pixels like in different like angles. So honestly, I really love this pack. I use it in pretty much all my designs. You can grab this pack again in the description below. It's on my Gumroad, and you can follow the link, and it's super easy to install. And you should see at the start of the video a little bit of a process of how to install it, but it's literally just download the pack and you're done basically. So one little tip for this is to make sure that where you keep the displacement maps, it needs to be somewhere that's easily accessible on your PC. I've got mine in just my Creative Cloud files, so it opens up there all the time. But you want to make sure that you can find it fairly easily, because when you go up to this Filter, Distort, Displace, okay, here, you're going to have to find these from your downloads or wherever you save them on your computer first. So make sure you save this in an easy to remember location, somewhere you can access without thinking about it, really. But yeah, I would love to see anything that you design with these displacement maps. Make sure to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is @GVZZVH. That'll be on screen right now. And yeah, I hope this helps. There'll be more free packs in the future on my Gumroad, so make sure you've got that bookmarked. And yeah, this has been Gaz. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.